Shoot.
Oh, that's crazy.
I'm just playing. Look, though. Oh shit. Let me see my phone. I'm totally playing this for my YouTube.
You gotta delete that shit.
Alright, bro. Oh shit.
Well, that's not funny.
What's up, YouTube? Today we gonna be hitting niggas with that goddamn. So shit. I mean, that's really all to it. We just gonna walk around giving niggas that COVID. Let's get it. Let's go. I didn't sneeze on you, did I?
You really did.
Did I?
You really did.
But my bad, bro. My bad. Goddamn.
You good, bro.
For my fault, bro.
You good, bro.
Hey, look, though, look. Hey, look, family. Oh shit. I didn't sneeze on you, did I?
Yeah, you did.
Did I? Well, my bad, bro. Alright, my bad, bro. I'm sorry. Be on dick. They coming on the intercom and shit talking about don't do this, don't do that. So we gonna take it somewhere else. If I fuck your bitch, go fuck my bitch, don't cry. Go fuck Kiki. Oh shoot.
Did you mean to sneeze on me?
I didn't, did I?
You did.
Did I?
Yeah, all over the back of my head.
I'm sorry, I got COVID. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You don't want to shake my hand? Just give me.
You got COVID.
Just a. I have it. I mean,
Did you stay away from me?
look. We
Don't
don't.
just come up and sneeze on the back of something.
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Fine. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to be around this.
Okay. All right. Wait, I'm just playing this for YouTube. It was a prank. It was just water. It was.
You guys, am I gonna be on TikTok now or something?
Thank you. Oh shit.
Yo, man, what the fuck you doing, man? Let me play with
I ain't mean
I don't
to.
play like that.
I ain't
man.
mean to though. I got COVID. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Look though.
Fucking play with you.
Look though. Why you gotta swing on me,
Fuck, I
Pimp?
don't fucking play like that, man.
Oh gee, it was an
I
accident.
don't play like that, man.
I wasn't playing though. Look, my bad, Pimp. I'm just. It's for the.
I don't care.
It's a water bottle. It's just a water bottle. It's for the YouTube. Hey, let me help you pick it up.
Nah, come on, move, man.
Get it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, I didn't sneeze on you, did I?
Yeah, bro, you did.
Did I?
Yeah.
For my bad, bro. I got COVID. My fault.
You got COVID. What you
Just, y'all boys be good. Did I sneeze on you?
Yes, you did, buddy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got COVID. I'm sorry. I got COVID.
Oh, you got COVID too?
Yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. I sneeze on you? Did I sneeze on you? I'm sorry, I got COVID. I'm sorry.
Right.
I do pranks. It was water. It's just water. It's for the camera. Thank y'all. I'm sorry. Sorry, I got COVID. I didn't sneeze on y'all, did I?
Good.
Okay. I'm
I won't get it.
sorry about that. Nah, I'm totally playing this for my YouTube.
You gotta delete that shit.
Alright, bro.
Let me see, man, because
Hey, look.
I'm not supposed to be out here.
Oh, for real?
I'm dead ass.
I will put that up and talk to
That's
me.
why I don't play like that.
I will put it up and talk to me. Before somebody call the police.
Throw that shit away, man. I
Wait,
don't
put
play
this
like
down. Put this down. We gonna delete it.
That. I don't fucking play. Don't play with me like that. I'm down here minding my business.
Okay.
I'm trying to lay low and do what I do.
You hold it.
If you ain't supposed to be
I
down
don't
here
care,
hurting,
man. I just got out of jail for some
Bro, we said it's deleted,
I don't
bro.
give a fuck. Delete this shit, please.
we ain't gonna post it. We ain't gonna post it. Alright? But just goddamn, alright, y'all. We gone for real. We gonna go ahead and make the outro. We finna hit this last nigga. Let's keep it live. Let's keep it rolling. Come on. I think I already did. Oh shit. Oh shit. But I got COVID, so if I did, you need to wipe that shit. You need. Yeah, but if I did, you need.
You didn't buy me a sandwich for that.
What you want? You want a sandwich?
Yes, sir. That's why you see me doing this here.
Oh, I understand. I see it. It's funny. It's funny.
Oh man, you all so that's how I do it now.
I got the camera. I ain't got no cash on me. I would. I don't mind. Look, that's paper. I was gonna pull it out and give it to you. I ain't got no cash on me. Oh, I lied. To the sandwich,
Yeah,
nigga.
yes, sir.
What kind of sandwich? How much it cost? How much the
I
sandwich?
don't know, man. I'm in the street, my brother. Man, appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, man.
Thank you, my brother.
God bless, brother. Good to see you now. Yes, sir. He said it was okay that I sneezed on him, but I mean, how much nicer can you be than that? Like, oh shit, I didn't sneeze on you, did I, brother? Cause I got COVID.
Huh?
I didn't sneeze on you, did I?
Oh, that's crazy. Come here, look. Hold on, let me see that.
What's that? This?
Yeah.
What's that?
Nah, because I got syphilis.
Oh shit! It's for the YouTube video. I do YouTube and shit. Hey, come on, this nigga walking to the car. Hurry up, this nigga walking to the car. Get the gun out. Get the gun out. Hey, watch out. Hey,
Chill. Go, nigga. Back up.
Bro.
Reaching in the back. Hold on, let's car come in. Hold on.
Hey, come on, man, get me out of here, bro. Niggas is mad, bro. Hurry,
Hold
bro.
on, wait.
Hurry, bro.
Following her.
Oh, shit.
Look.